my peoples. It's 7 a.m. and I'm in Orlando. How y'all doing? Alright, so I am home for a visit with my mom, as well as a conference that I have. I had to get closer to the light because it's not sun. The sun's not up yet. I've actually been up since 5 a.m. But today, my mom and I are going on a little road trip to St. Augustine to get some beach air. So I'm up. I'm moving. I just packed my bag, actually, which I guess I'll film probably when we get to the hotel. What I packed for an overnight, maybe update my overnight packing tote situation. So I'm gonna do that. I'm actually about to work out now, get my little workout in. I'm trying to get my workouts in more regularly in this month. I think that's it. Let's go on and get the day going. Okay, so I just finished my low impact workout. I did Grow with Joe's gospel workout. So, I mean, I like it because, one, it's really apartment friendly. So I like doing it in my apartment when I can't get to the gym. And I did it today because it's relatively quiet. I was able to do my thing, low impact, especially because we're going to the beach and I might be walking around a lot. So I didn't want to overdo it on my workout, but I still wanted to get it in. I, took a few weeks off because I was kind of sick. So now we're getting back into it. So this is like me easing in, but who knows? All right, I'm about to go get dressed and go bug my mom. I'll see y'all in the car probably. Hey, good morning, Mom.
Good morning.
Hello, my peoples. So we are at the Castillo Resort Hotel on St. Augustine Beach. This has to be one of my favorite hotels. It has been for a long time, but I haven't been here in, probably about 10 years. It's been a while. It's been a long time. So it is, let me see. How many stars is the hotel? We got it for $139 a night, and I guess that included parking. So it was like $150 something with the tax, and then they gave us a parking pass to put on here. Okay, it's a 3-star hotel. It's clean. It has a very Spanish style decor. It has an on-site restaurant, and I think it is beach accessible, if I remember correctly. So we're going to chill for a second and then regroup and then go to the beach, which I'm extremely excited about. Okay, so just a quick run through of what's in my bag. I brought a manga to read. I'm really excited about starting Jujutsu Kaisen. Travel toiletry kit, all the things in it. And then a packing cube with my overnight things, so pajamas, swimsuit cover, extra undergarments, wrap for my hair. And as you can see, I'm taking out my swimsuit because I was getting ready to go out to the beach. And an extra pair of shorts and an outfit for tomorrow to go back. I also was able to fit my 13-inch MacBook Air. All the cords in a plastic bag. My bullet journal so that I could reflect. And my sandals. I was wearing sneakers on the way in. And then the bag will either rehouse the sandals or put my dirty clothes. And it all fit in my tote bag, fancy tote bag that I got to support another photographer.
Next day.
When I woke up, I decided to pull a few tarot cards, so I sat and worked through that. It was such a pretty morning that Mom and I decided that we wanted to go back out to the beach before checkout. So that is what we did. Because it was still early, it was probably around 9 or 10 o'clock. No one was really outside, which was nice. It was very quiet and therapeutic. Beautiful day. And of course, the sand was soft, so I was tripping all over myself. The water was cold, but it felt so good. And there's something for me personally about being in the water and just meditating that sort of makes me feel grounded and really gives me a good reset. And of course, my mom was picking up seashells. She has so many seashells because she can't help herself, which is always cool. On our way out of St. Augustine, Mom and I stopped at Metro Diner to have brunch. It was a very cute spot, and I ended up ordering the hot chocolate because I'm not much of a coffee drinker. But I also got the challah French toast, which was so good. Food like we always do. She got the chicken and grits and an omelet. Her grits were so good. As always, friends, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.